Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create Equalizer preset for your headphones REALME T310. You have to start by open the application and now click on your headphones. Right here we have EQ mode, so click on it and click on the Equalizer right here at the plus. Now choose the best one for you. Also, let's say it's okay for me. Also, you can rename it by click right here. And now we should name it. So, like test. Done. And if you don't like what you made, you can click reset. And you have it by default. Now, if you like it, let's say that's this one, you can just click at the empty space. And as you can see, we have this preset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.